For thousands of years, ginger has been a cherished element in traditional health systems across the world. From ancient healers in China and India to contemporary herbalists, this humble root has garnered a reputation for its astonishing capacity to treat a variety of diseases. Today, modern study is finally catching up to old wisdom, exposing ginger's amazing health advantages and cementing its status as a real superfood. One of ginger's most well-known advantages is its ability to relieve stomach distress. For ages, this modest root has been used in traditional medicine and is recognized for its powerful healing abilities. Ginger has been used to cure a number of diseases, mainly digestive issues, since ancient Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic techniques in India. It has long been used as a natural treatment for nausea, vomiting, and indigestion. Ginger has long been used to treat pregnant nausea, motion sickness, and the pain associated with overeating. Its active components, such as gingerol, are thought to interact with the body's receptors and relieve these symptoms. Ginger works by increasing digestive fluids and speeding up the passage of food through the digestive system. This not only helps to break down food more effectively, but it also improves nutritional absorption. The increased production of digestive enzymes and bile assists in the smooth transit of food, lowering the risk of indigestion and pain. This helps to prevent bloating, gas, and the unpleasant sensation of being full after a meal. Imagine eating a big dinner without feeling too full or gassy after. Ginger tea, in particular, is a favorite option among many people, providing a warm, relaxing impact that helps settle the stomach and encourage relaxation. Ginger may help with morning sickness, motion sickness, and even an upset stomach. Its adaptability allows it to be ingested in a variety of forms, including fresh, dry, powdered oil, and juice. Pregnant women often find ginger tea to be a lifesaver in the early months, while travelers swear by ginger candies or pills to prevent motion sickness. According to studies, ginger may be as effective as other anti-nausea drugs while avoiding the negative side effects. This makes it a popular option among people searching for natural alternatives. Researchers are still investigating the many advantages of ginger, discovering new ways it might help our health. So the next time you feel a pang of stomach pain, look for this natural digestive superhero. Ginger's effectiveness in treating nausea is related to its unique bioactive components, especially gingerols and shogols. These powerful chemicals function by interacting with the brain and gut receptors that regulate nausea and vomiting. They also relax the stomach muscles, which reduces nausea and pain. Drinking a cup of ginger tea might be a relaxing treatment. Simply soak a few slices of fresh ginger in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes, then add a squeeze of lemon to enhance the taste. Chronic inflammation is a secret pandemic that wreaks havoc on our bodies and contributes to a variety of chronic illnesses. Fortunately, ginger comes to the rescue with its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger oils, the same molecules that treat nausea, are also effective in suppressing the body's synthesis of inflammatory chemicals. This makes ginger an effective ally in the battle against illnesses such as arthritis, osteoarthritis, and muscular discomfort. Ginger has been found in studies to dramatically decrease pain and stiffness in persons suffering from osteoarthritis, increasing mobility and quality of life. Ginger may help boost your defenses and build a stronger immune system. In today's fast-paced environment, having a strong immune system is more important than ever. Ginger may aid by boosting your body's natural defenses. It has powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances. Work together to defend your cells from free radicals, which are damaging substances that may impair the immune system. Regular ginger consumption may help boost your immune system and reduce your susceptibility to diseases such as colds and the flu. Beyond the hoopla, ginger's full nutritional powerhouse is revealed. While ginger is well recognized for its therapeutic powers, it also contains critical vitamins and minerals. It contains plenty of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts immune function and protects cells from injury. Magnesium is an essential element for muscle and neuron function, blood sugar management, and blood pressure regulation. And potassium, an electrolyte that promotes fluid balance, blood pressure regulation, and muscular contraction. Including ginger in your diet is a simple and delightful method to increase your consumption of these essential minerals. Incorporate ginger into your regular regimen. One of the finest aspects of ginger is its adaptability. This modest root may be utilized in a number of ways, including in foods and beverages. It may be consumed fresh, dried, powdered, or as oil or juice. Every kind of ginger has its own distinct taste profile and health advantages. Here are some easy ways to include ginger into your daily routine, whether you're an experienced chef or just getting started in the kitchen. Begin the day with ginger tea. Simply immerse some fresh ginger slices in boiling water for a few minutes. A warm cup of ginger tea might assist to stimulate your digestion and increase your energy levels. It's a relaxing way to start the day, particularly on a cold day. Add grated ginger to stir fries, soups, curries, and marinades for for a savory kick, the zingy flavor of ginger can improve even the most basic of recipes. Make ginger smoothie by combining it with fresh cream, fruits, veggies, and your choice of milk or yogurt make a delightful and nutritious drink. This is an excellent method to receive a boost of nutrients and begin your day on a healthy note. Experiment with various ginger applications to see what works best for you. Ginger can lend flavor to a variety of recipes, from salty to sweet. Another easy approach to absorb ginger is to make ginger-infused water. Simply add a couple slices of fresh ginger to your water bottle and enjoy. This might be a delightful way to remain hydrated all day. Do not forget about baking. Ginger may provide a delightful warmth to cookies, cakes, and other baked products. Add grated ginger to your favorite dishes for a spicy edge. Beyond the kitchen, ginger essential oil may be diffused to create a peaceful and energizing ambience in your home. Ginger's fragrant characteristics might help relieve tension and enhance mood. Ginger oil may also be used topically. It may be mixed with a carrier oil and used to provide a pleasant massage. It is recognized for its anti-inflammatory effects, which may help alleviate muscular discomfort and stress. Add some ginger to your bath water to relax. This may help relieve tight muscles and create a spa-like atmosphere at home. If you want a fast and effective method to ingest ginger, consider preparing a ginger shot. Combine fresh ginger, lemon juice, and honey for a potent health boost. With so many ways to utilize ginger, it's simple to integrate this versatile ingredient into your daily regimen. Ginger, whether consumed, cooked, or used for its fragrant characteristics, may benefit your health and well-being in a variety of ways. So, go ahead and discover the various advantages of ginger and your favorite methods to consume it every day. Your body and taste senses will appreciate you. Ginger in the kitchen, from savory to sweet. Ginger's versatility goes beyond savory meals. It also shines in sweets, providing a distinct warmth and depth of taste. Here are a few options. Gingerbread cookies are a favorite Christmas dessert that highlight ginger's warm and spicy flavors. Gingerbread loaf is a rich, delicious cake ideal for a comfortable afternoon snack. Ginger candies are chewy and delicious candy with a kick of ginger flavor. Don't be scared to be creative and use ginger in your cooking and baking. Ginger's safety and possible negative effects. While ginger is usually considered safe to consume, it is vital to be aware of any adverse effects. Large doses of ginger may induce minor heartburn, diarrhea, or oral discomfort. If you notice any negative side effects, lower your dosage or quit usage. Pregnant women, anyone with bleeding problems, and those using blood thinners should contact with their doctor before consuming ginger. The science behind ginger's superpowers. Several scientific research have proved ginger's remarkable health advantages. This simple root, which is often found in kitchens across the globe, has been the focus of intensive study, showing a plethora of medicinal characteristics that have been used for generations in traditional medicine. According to research, ginger may help with nausea and vomiting. This is especially good for those who suffer from morning sickness. Motion sickness might also affect those who are receiving chemotherapy. Active components, including ginger, and shoal, are thought to interact with the central nervous system to relieve these symptoms. Ginger has been shown in studies to effectively reduce nausea and vomiting caused by pregnancy, motion sickness, and chemotherapy. Ginger is often used as a natural treatment to alleviate pregnancy symptoms. I felt unwell in the morning. Ginger pills or ginger tea may provide comfort to travelers and chemotherapy patients, but it can also help with pain and inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory effects make it a popular option among those suffering from chronic pain. Ginger's bioactive components may suppress the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, therefore relieving pain and swelling. It has been demonstrated to alleviate pain and stiffness associated with osteoarthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Regular ginger intake, whether as food, tea, or supplement, may result in considerable improvements in joint function and general mobility. Ginger also has immune-boosting properties. Ginger's immune-boosting benefits are related to its strong antioxidant content, which helps neutralize damaging free radicals in the body. This may strengthen the body's natural defensive systems, making it more resistant to infections and disorders. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory characteristics may aid to boost the immune system. Ginger may stimulate the immune system and guard against infections, so integrating it into a well-balanced diet can give a natural boost to general health by boosting the body's capacity to fight off ailments. These studies give scientific evidence for ginger's traditional applications while also highlighting its potential as a natural treatment. As study progresses, the entire breadth of health advantages is expected to be revealed, cementing its reputation as a potent natural treatment with several uses. Embrace the Ginger Glow, a summary of its remarkable advantages. Ginger has several health advantages, ranging from digestive relief to immune system support. Its flexibility in the kitchen, along with its great nutritional profile, make it an excellent supplement to any diet. Accept the power of this ancient root and see the transformational powers of ginger yourself. Did you find this video helpful and exciting? Here is another video you can watch that's even better. Even if that doesn't interest you, then here's one more. Subscribe and hit the bell icon as well.